Amit Shah, the strategist redefining Indian politics. Amit Shah, often described as the master strategist of Indian politics, is a towering figure in the country's political landscape. Born on October 22, 1964, in Mumbai, Shah's journey from a grassroots political activist to one of the most influential leaders in India is a testament to his political acumen, organizational skills, and unwavering commitment to the ideology of the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Early life and political journey. Amit Shah's entry into politics can be traced back to his early association with the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, a Hindu nationalist organization, during his college days. His rise within the ranks of the BJP began in the late 1980 when he became actively involved in student politics. Shah's organizational prowess and leadership abilities soon caught the attention of senior BJP leaders, leading to his rapid ascent within the party. Master strategist. Shah's reputation as a master strategist stems from his meticulous planning, shrewd political calculations, and ability to execute complex electoral strategies. He is credited with orchestrating several successful election campaigns for the BJP, most notably the historic 2014 and 2019 general elections that saw the party secure landslide victories under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Shah's understanding of grassroots politics, coupled with his innovative use of technology and data analytics, has earned him widespread admiration and respect within the party. Architect of BJP's expansion. As the president of the BJP from 2014 to 2019, Shah played a pivotal role in expanding the party's footprint across India. His ambitious Mission 272 Jod strategy in the 2014 general elections aimed to secure a majority of seats on its own, a feat that was achieved with resounding success. Shah's focus on organizational strengthening, cadre mobilization, and targeted outreach programs helped the BJP make significant inroads into regions where it had previously struggled to gain a foothold. Key policy initiatives. During his tenure as Union Home Minister since 2019, Amit Shah has spearheaded several key policy initiatives aimed at addressing pressing national security challenges and promoting good governance. His assertive approach towards national security issues, including the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir and the passage of the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, has been a defining feature of his tenure. Controversies and criticism. Despite his political achievements, Amit Shah has not been immune to controversies and criticism. His handling of certain sensitive issues, including the government's response to protests against the CAA and allegations of political vendetta, has drawn criticism from opposition parties and civil society groups. Shah's leadership style, characterized by a no-nonsense approach and unwavering commitment to the BJP's ideological agenda, has also been a subject of debate among political observers. Legacy and future prospects. As one of the most influential figures in Indian politics, Amit Shah's legacy is likely to be defined by his role in shaping the BJP's electoral fortunes and advancing its ideological agenda. His leadership style, organizational skills, and strategic vision have earned him a place of prominence within the party and the broader political landscape of India. As the country navigates through a rapidly evolving political landscape, Amit Shah's influence and contributions are expected to remain pivotal in shaping its future trajectory.